Hello everyone. How to dab besides the door casing and the wall. Very simple. This is just regular dab for construction. And so first you need to cut this small angle, like, maybe a little bit more angle. The hole, it's about 1/8. Or you can do, you don't have to make the hole, it's much bigger. You can cut the hole simply by, you see this here, this one can cut the hole. All you need, just go like that, small, and then you see it cut about an angle, about 45 degrees angle. And so the hole could be between like 1/8, a little bit bigger, but if it's too big, then it will be big mess and the dab won't look great. Second, you need to, when you do this, the angle has to go like this way, see? So if the cut, this is the cut, and this is how you do this dab, like that. You see this? Start from the top to the bottom, just like that, and slowly press to release the dab. The amount of dab must be equally and evenly. So that's how you need the rag with the kind of a water, wet rag. This way, if it's any mess or something, you can just wipe it quickly because the dab is washable. So we'll start from here. Once you're done, you go with your finger like that. See? You don't need to press hard. And then start from the top. A little bit, just a little bit pressure, not too much. And then the bottom again until you see it's smooth and straight. If something missing small like this, you can apply a little bit and then keep going. Okay, so that's how it's done. Something like no scratch you see on the wall, on the casing and door jamb, same thing. Apply a little bit, and then smooth it with your finger. See, it's gone. Just like that. This is kind of a very big chip, trying to make it better. Okay. and so on. The baseboards, same thing. And then wipe it with your finger, like that.